very good at math, but pretty sure we're not close to our 4th anniversary yet. Oh, but we're close to everything if you think about it. Something feels suspicious about this. Maybe we hit the wrong button? And like 4 years. Hit the wrong button like 3 years. Yeah? Yeah. My heart being stolen by you guys! Why are you melting? You love strawberries!